Welcome. If you want to open application in the floating video mode in your Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, at first you have to open that application, so I will make it with Play Store. After that you have to click right here, then here, click and hold the application and select this icon. And as you can see right now, this application is in this funny floating mode. We can open second application right now for example messages, and we are able to work on the two apps at the same time. We can also try to resize this application a little bit, and we can drag it right here to make it smaller. If you want to use this application more, the same when you go for the left corner. And when you want to open this application, you have to just swipe on the down, at the bottom I mean. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.